10 truths and a lie is something that you can do. So grab your phones, because this is how I'm going to get every single body in this room a digital copy of this book. So those 29 strategies with the research.
Can you show me by fingers which number is an absolute lie, please? We got tens, 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 tens.
Spend about a minute, 15, 1 minute and 15 seconds on each character, roughly. Your students are not long.
Rouge, bleu, jaune, rose, violet, noir, blanc, brun, violet, rose, vert, gris, rouge, vert.
So you're going to take this magic pen and just put it just behind your eye teeth. You're going to repeat after me. You're going to repeat after me, okay? This is for the sounds in French, okay?
Il fallait